In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall Google Sheets program from your Windows computer. Whether you are on Windows 10 or Windows 11, this process is the same. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to uninstall this Google Sheets program, you need to go to Control Panel here. Tap on it to open. However, if you don't have Control Panel, then go to Start menu down below, and from here just search for Control Panel, and here it is. From this control panel, look for this option, programs and features, and if you tap on it, this will list all the programs you have installed on your Windows computer. Now from the list, as you can see, look for Google Sheets, but the problem is if you run down, you won't find Google Sheets program for you to uninstall. Instead, you'll only see Google Drive. So to uninstall Google Sheets, you need to uninstall Google Drive, and because Google Sheet is a product of Google Drive, this will remove Google Drive together with these other programs such as Google Drive, Google Sheets, as well as Google Docs, as they come as a package for Google Drive. So if you are okay to lose all the others, you can now proceed and tap on Google Drive. And once you tap on it, now you can see we have this option here to uninstall. Just tap on it and this will uninstall this program. However, if you don't have this option, then go to Google Drive and right click on it. Now you can uninstall it from here. So that's how you can permanently uninstall Google Sheets from your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.